Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nature's Exotic Beauty. Today we are going to share a fact about the most colorful bird known in the world, and that's none other than the peacock. A type of large pheasant generally refers to the male peafowl and the females known as the peahen, as they are more related to the turkey or a chicken. They are known for their beautiful colored feathers. A male peacock is more flamboyant than the female, as he is the one with this long brilliant feather tail, also known as ocelli, which is eye-like designs. Unknown to many of us, but there is not just one but three species of peafowl in the world which are distinguished primarily by their color and size. The first and the foremost is the renowned Indian peacock, which is native to India, Sri Lanka and other parts of the Eastern Asia. So it's the Asiatic peacock. And there comes to the second, we comes to the green peacock. But many of us don't know they are also termed as the Javanese peacock, and it is native to the Indonesian island of Java and Southeast Asia, Myanmar and Burma. So it's also another Asiatic peacock, which is widespread and famous in the world. The third member of the peacock family is the Congo peafowl, which is native to the Congo basin. This species of peafowl is relatively a recent discovery as an African native that is more closely resembling the typical pheasant because they are not so attractive like their Asiatic cousin, as they don't have their flashy peacock train. As per the IUCN Red List, they are even vulnerable. The peacock's head is shiny bright blue colored, surrounded by iridescent blue and green plumage, mostly metallic blue and green. The train of the peacock, which most people think is their tail, is actually a covert which covers the base of the tail. The feather tail is patterned with circular eye spots, also known as ocelli, lot-like shining eyes made up of blue, green, gold and red feathers, and it's make up to the 60% of the bird's total body length. The peacock's train are up to 6 feet long, thus as a result they cannot fly high, although the maximum height it can fly and cover is up to the lowest branch of the tree. So it's a pure myth that a peacock is a flightless bird, but it's not. Females are smaller and have grey or brown feathers. Colorful but not like their male partners. Males weigh 4 to 6 kg, females weigh 2.75 to 4 kg and grow to be roughly 2 to 10 feet long. Their height can range from under 3 feet to a little over 4 feet tall. Peahens are attracted to peacocks for the resemblance of their eye spots to blueberries. The most common mating ritual of the peacock is peacock displaying their train with loud call and fearless behavior. Males spread their tails in a fan shape and strut back and forth while shaking their feathers to produce a rustling and rattling noise. This gets the peahen's attention, and then it's up to her to pick her favorite male, as peahen choose their mates by the size and the shape of his tail too. The general mating season of the species is during January to September. It is a common myth that peacock, specifically the males, dance to predict the onset of rain, but it is their way of attracting a mate, as coincidentally the mating season and the rainy season coincides. So it's a pure myth. Indian peafowl lays around 3 to 12 eggs. Chicks of both sexes in all the species are cryptically colored. They vary between yellow and tawny, usually with patches of darker brown or light tan and dirty white ivory. Pea chicks cannot be identified with a male or female unless they are grown up within a year. At 2 to 3 months, pea chicks begins to develop their crest feathers, and slowly they approaches to their adulthood. Peafowls are forest birds that nest on the ground but roost in the trees. They are terrestrial feeders. All species of the peafowl are believed to be polygamous, that is, they like to mate with multiple females. Both males and females possess razor-sharp metatarsal spurs or thorns on their legs, used for slashing damage during territorial fight with some other members of their kind. So we can say that that's the vicious form of this beautiful creature, as beauty can sometimes be a beast. Pea fowls are omnivores and mostly eat plants, flower petals, seed heads, insects, reptiles, amphibians. They also eat millipedes, termites, crickets, ants, and also eat small snakes. They also like dark leafy greens like broccoli, carrots, beans, beets, and peas. They retreat to the shade and security of the woods for the hottest portion of the day. These birds in the wild have average lifespan of 10 to 25 years, but in captivity, peacocks have been known to live longer, averaging between 40 to 50 years in age. All through the ages, peafowls have been representing different meanings to different cultures. The peacock, with its unique beauty, makes it a handy symbol for power, strength, confidence, and even divinity. The peacock has significance in Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, and also has been celebrated as a secular symbol of beauty, love, romance, and life itself. Peacock symbolizes grace, pride, and beauty, a sign of pure joy for all who see them, and they are also used in the Indian mythology and folk stories. Hence, the Indian peacock is also considered as the national bird in India. As per IUCN Red List, Indian peacock is considered as endangered species due to widespread hunting and poaching for the meats, feathers, and especially the collection of eggs and chicks has created the endangerment problem. So it's our utmost duty to save this beautiful creature from the verge of the extinction. Thanks guys for watching my video. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you like them. We'll be back with a new educational video as soon. Bye.